Hello friends, today we will discuss about timestamp difference. If we want to find out the difference of time or day or month in between a specific date, then in that particular case we can use timestamp difference. Fine. So the syntax for the timestamp difference is timestamp difference, and in bracket we have to provide three arguments. The very first argument is the format in which we want to generate the difference. That can be a month, that can be a year, that can be a minute. Fine. And the second argument is the starting date from which you want to find out the time, and the third argument is the date till which you want to find out the difference. Fine. So let us begin with very good example of that. So the way here you can see there is one table that is called employee, and in that employee table I am having the hire date. Now I want to find out that that particular person has worked how many months in the company till date. So in that particular case, simply I have to write a query like this. It will be like select, then timestamp difference, and in bracket I need to write say I want the person how many months that person has worked. Fine. So I have to write month. Then my attribute name is hire date. Fine. So it will be hire date, and I want the number of months till date, so it will be like now. Fine. And now we have to find out say from, and then the name of the table, that is say employee. Fine. Now let us see the result of this. So let me add the hire date also. So empf name and emp hire date. Okay. Fine. So now let us see the result of this. So here we got the result, the number of months a particular person has worked with the company. Fine. So the Smith has joined in 2006 1st January, and the number of months he has completed is 175. Even we can get this data in terms of year also. Fine. So here you will get the value that that particular person has worked for 14 years, that particular has worked for 14 years, 14, 13. So in that way we can find the timestamp difference between two dates or between two timestamps. Fine. Suppose let me take one more example for that. Suppose I want to find out timestamp differences. Select, and then timestamp difference. Fine. And I want this particular in minute. Okay. Now let us see what result we are getting if we are going to insert this kind of data. Okay, fine. I'm going to provide two various formats of the date, and then I want the data ultimate result in minute format. Fine. So let us see what result we get. So here we got the result in minutes. How many minutes minutes of difference is there in between this particular two dates? Fine. So for the first date, it is going to start from 000000 timestamp, and for this particular date the timestamp is 0012 and 15, and it is going to calculate the number of minutes in between. Okay, so this way we can use a timestamp different function in MySQL. Thank you very much.